Choosing between Aire-Flo and Sure Comfort, you might be about to sacrifice 5 years of warranty protection without even knowing it. One of these units is built for longevity, while the other is strictly for a quick, cheap flip. Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly which one of these budget-friendly condensers belongs in your yard and which one is a liability. What's up, guys? I'm the HVAC repair guy. I've spent over 17 years in this industry, starting out as a service tech, moving into installations, and eventually running my own shop as an HVAC contractor. Before all that, I was a Navy nuclear-led electrical operator, so I'm used to looking at the technical guts of equipment where failure isn't an option. Today, we're pitting two value brands against each other, the Aire-Flo 4AC14L and the Sure Comfort SA14AY. Both are 14 SEER class basic units, but the differences under the hood are significant. Let's start with performance. The Aire-Flo 4AC14L is a 14 SEER workhorse. It features a louvered coil, which is a big win for protection. If you have kids with soccer balls or a neighbor with a weed whacker, that metal jacket keeps your aluminum fins safe. However, it's loud, clocking in at 76 decibels. That's the kind of noise that'll interrupt a conversation on your patio. The Sure Comfort SA14AY edges it out slightly on efficiency at 14.3 SEER. It's also noticeably quieter at 72 decibels. Now, the trade-off is it doesn't have that louvered coil. It uses a wire guard. Your coil is more exposed to the elements and physical damage, but the unit itself runs smoother and quieter. Now, who's actually making these? Aire-Flo is a subsidiary of Lennox International. It's their entry-level builder-grade brand, often using older Lennox technology. Parts are generally easy to find at Lennox supply houses. Looking at current market data, a 1.5-ton Aire-Flo can be installed for as low as $2,400, with typical whole system installs ranging between $3,500 and $5,500. Sure Comfort, on the other hand, is part of the Rheem and Rheem family. It's essentially a rebranded Rheem unit. These units are often priced slightly higher in the value segment, with typical installation ranges falling between $3,500 and $6,500, depending on your tonnage and local labor rates. In my experience, Rheem built products in this category tend to be a bit more tech-friendly when it comes to repairs, but here is the absolute deal breaker: the warranty. According to the data, the Aire-Flo 4AC14L only carries a 5-year parts and compressor warranty. The Sure Comfort SA14AY doubles that with a full 10-year warranty on both the parts and the compressor. In the HVAC world, 5 years is an eternity. A compressor failure in year 6 on that Aire-Flo could cost you half the price of a new system out of pocket. So, here's my final verdict. If you're a homeowner looking for the best bang for your buck, the Sure Comfort SA14A is the clear winner. You're getting a quieter unit, slightly better efficiency, and most importantly, double the warranty protection. Unless you're in a high-risk area for physical coil damage where that Aire-Flo metal jacket is a must, go with the Sure Comfort. It's a Rheem-built machine that'll keep you cool without the 5-year ticking clock on your wallet. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVACforbeginners.com.